waiting for this 18 manifold for what seems like forever, and going through a couple broken ones. We're going to remove the factory one and install the 18 over here. I've already removed the actuators for the IMRCs. I've got my homemade block-off plates on there, and let's get this done. Okay, now that we have the intake off, let's go take a look at the differences we have here. Side-by-side comparison. Right here you can see the difference in angle that the throttle body points up on the 18 compared to the 13. JLT doing its job. Barely touches it. I think I'm going to shave a little bit of that off just to clear it. You can see the difference between the two. This used to go up here to the evap. Not a big deal, we'll just unbolt that off there and route some hoses on here and wrap this thing up. I'm going to come back and redo my vacuum lines just a little bit just to clean this area up. Just like that, guys. Start it up, idles perfectly. I don't hear any vacuum leaks or anything like that, so we should be good to go. Now the fun part, go for a test drive.